Hello friends, in standard 10 maths, we are doing chapter 5 nowadays, that is arithmetic progression. In the previous chapter, we have taken with the example and we have derived the formula for the sum of the first n term, Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula we have derived, but again I take the same example and I will take one more example and we will take the use of this formula. I narrate the same story to you. One teacher, maths teacher in the class, he has some work to do in the class, so he wanted to keep the students busy for 5 to 10 minutes. So he gave them a task. What the teacher do? He asked the students to find the sum of the first 100 natural numbers. And teacher thought the students will take at least 5 to 10 minutes to solve the question. But to his surprise, one student solved the question within 2 minutes only. The teacher asked the students, how did you do it? Then the student said, I did this way. I wanted 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus that way plus 99 plus 100. So this was the task, to find the sum of the first 100 natural numbers. What the student did? He wrote the second row and in that he wrote all the numbers in the reverse order, in the descending order. 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus dot 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 plus 2 plus 1. Okay? So he wrote the numbers 2 times. Then he took the sum of both the columns and the number of the term wise. So first with first, second with second, third with third, that way. So 1 plus 100, 101. 2 plus 99, 101. 3 plus 98, 101. Plus dot dot dot. Second last, 92 plus 99 plus 2, 101. 100 plus 1, 101. So this was the sum of the 2 columns. So he said that sum of first 100 naturals, that is natural numbers, is equal to, it is total 100 numbers. So 100 times what? 101. But as it took the column 2 times, the series 2 times, so result was divided by 2. Now you can check sum of the 100 numbers means in the series, in the AP, sum of the 100 terms, symbolically I take it as 100. 100 is what? Number of terms. So it is 100, 101 upon 2. So I separate like this, 100 upon 2 into bracket 101. So 100 by 2. And how I classify 101? 1 plus 100. That is first term plus last term. Okay? So now I write, instead of 100, I take n. So Sn is equal to what? 100 means it is number of terms. So n upon 2 into bracket. 1 is what? The first term. We call it A. And 100 is the last term. So Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. Okay? But last term we take as An. So I replace last term by, as you know, A plus. Last term is what? An. And we have the formula for An. So Sn is n by 2 A plus. What is An? A plus n minus 1 into D. So ultimately Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus A 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is how we had proved this formula in the last period. So I have written this formula, but the previous form of the formula also I write here. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket first term plus last term. This also is the formula. If we know the last term, If we know the first term, we can find out the sum with this formula also. And suppose last term is not given, then we can use this formula. Okay? I take one more example so that it is the proof that this formula is working every time. One mother, she keeps on the first birthday of her daughter in her piggy bank at the end of the first year 100 rupees. At the second birthday, she keeps 150 rupees in the piggy bank. At the end of the third year, on the third birthday, it is 200. On the fourth birthday, 250. On the fifth birthday, 300, and so on. Okay? So you want to find out what is the collection in the piggy bank at the end of 21 years. So I want to find S21 for this AP. Very clearly you can see first term is 100. So A is equal to 100. Difference 150 minus 100, it is 50. And we know the formula for Sn. I write the formula first. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay? So I want to find out S21. So it is 21 upon 2, n by 2 into bracket 2a, 100 2s are 200 plus n is 21, 21 minus 1, 20. Difference is 50. Okay? So 21 by 2, 200 plus 5 2s are 10 and double 0. So it is 1000. So 21 by 2, 1000 plus 200, 1200. 2 1s are 2, 6 2s are 12. So 21 into 600. So double 0 as it is, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So total collection in the piggy bank of the daughter on the 21st birthday will be 12,600. So how this formula is useful for the AP, that also we have known. Now we take certain examples of the text and in which how we can find out the answers. Before that, I wanted to take you at one more formula. In the previous example, first term was 100, second was 150, third was 200, fourth was 250, fifth was 300 and so on. Okay? I want to find out the sum of the first three terms only, S3. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5 plus 0, 5. 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 4. S3 is 400. I go for S4. So sum of these four terms. So how much is added in this total? 250. So it is 700. Now I take the difference of S4 and S3. How much it is? 700 minus 450. And that is what? It is 250. Difference is 250. And what is 250? First term, second term, third term and fourth term. A4. So as I want to find out the fourth term of the AP, I take the difference of sum of the first four terms minus sum of the first three terms. So I get this way. A4 is equal to S4 minus S3. Similarly, if I want to find out A8, then it will be S8 minus S7. So in general, I take the formula like AN. It is n is equal to number of terms. Then it is Sn minus Sn minus 1. So this is the formula. If we have the sum of the terms, then we can find out the required term of the AP. So this is also one of the important formula. Now after this, we have three formula for Sn, two ways, formula for An in the form of Sn and S minus 1, and one very original formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So these four formulae we have. Now we go for some textual examples. So first is, you are given an AP. It is 8, 3, minus 2 and so on. And you want to find out S22. Okay. So what to do? It is S22. So go for the formula of Sn. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You want to find out S22 is equal to 22 upon 2. It is 11. 2a, 8 2s are 16, plus 22 minus 1, 21, and difference is what? 3 minus 8, it is minus 5. Okay. So 11 into bracket 16, now plus into minus, minus 21 5s are, it is 105. So 11 into bracket, what is difference? 15 minus 6 is 9, 9 minus 1, 8. So minus 89 is the difference. So 11 into minus 89. So we multiply here, 9 ones are 9, 8 ones are 8, 9 ones are 9, 8 ones are 8. So 9, 9 and 8 17, 1 carry forward, 8 and 1 9, but sign is minus. Minus 979 is the sum of the first 22 terms of this AP. Is it clear? We go for the next example. If you solve all the textual examples, then naturally you can do the questions of the exercise very easily. I take the second one. For an AP, for any AP, you are given S14, that is sum of the first 14 terms being 1050. It is given. Then you are also given first term A is equal to 10. Then you have to find out A20. Okay. We have the formula for A20, but what is the number of terms, what is difference, we don't know. So first of all, I use the formula for Sn. So S14 is equal to 14 by 2 as per the formula. 14 by 2 into bracket 2 times A. So 10 2s are 20 plus 14. So it is 14 minus 1, 13 and 2 difference. So 14 upon 2 is 7. S14 is given 1050. 7 into bracket 20 plus 13D. Now divide by 7. So it is 15. So it is 150 is equal to 20 plus 13D. 20 is subtracted. So 130 is equal to 13D. So D is equal to 130 upon 13 is 10. So now you have A, you have D, you can find out A20 very easily. Plot the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. I want to find out A20. A is 10 plus 20 minus 1, 19. Difference is 10. So it is 10 plus 19 tens are 190. Total is 200. So A20 is 200. This is how you can solve this question. Okay. Now we go for the third one. One more example we take. How many terms you are given the AP first of all? AP is what? 24, 21, 18 and so on. So the question is, how many terms of this AP makes the sum, how much? It is 78. How many of these AP terms of these AP should be added so that the sum is 78? Okay. So we know that Sn is equal to 78. What is the number of n, or what is n, we want to find out. So we put the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 78, n by 2, 2a, 24 2s are 48 plus n minus 1, difference 21 minus 24, it is minus 3. So now first of all multiply by 2, 8 2s are 16, 1 carry, 7 2s are 14 and 1 15. 156 is equal to n, 48 minus 3n plus 3, opening the bracket. So 48 plus 3 is 51. So 156 is equal to n, 51 minus 3n. You can check all are the three numbers which are multiple of 3. So I take 3 common. So 5 3s are 15, 2 3s are 6 is equal to n, 17 3s are 51 minus n. So 52 is equal to 17n minus n square. I bring all the terms on the left hand side. So minus n square becomes plus n square, plus 17n becomes minus 17n, 52 is positive only, is equal to 0. So here I take a degree 2 polynomial. So how to split the middle term, we know answer is 52 and the sum should be minus 17. So it is 13 4s are 52. So splitting is n square minus 13n minus 4n plus 52 is equal to 0. Make the group of 2 each, n common, n minus 13 minus 4 common, n minus 13 is equal to 0. So n minus 13 is the common factor, n minus 4 is equal to 0. So n minus 13 is 0 or n minus 4 is 0. So n is equal to 13 and n is equal to 4. So sum of the first 4 terms or the sum of the first 13 terms of this AP brings the answer 78. Now the question must arise in your mind that how the first 4 terms and first 13 terms both have the same answer. For that we have to do a little exercise. For that I have to write first 13 terms of this AP. Okay. So let me write 24, 21, 18. So I am subtracting 3. 18 minus 3, 15. Then 12. Then 9, 6, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So all the 13 terms I have written. So first of all let us take the sum of the first 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much it is? 8 and 5, 13, 13 and 1, 14, 14 and 4, 18 is 8, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2 and 1, 3, 3 and 2, 5 and 5 and 2, 7. Okay. So first 4 terms brings the sum 78. Now first 13 term also brings the same answer. How it is possible? You can check in the remaining terms, plus 12 minus 12 gone, plus 9 minus 9 cancel, plus 6 minus 6 cancel, 3 minus 3 cancel. So being all the terms there, the sum is 0 only. So 78 plus 0, answer is 78 only. So both these numbers give the same total, that is 78. Is it understood? So this is how 2 different numbers of terms can give you the same total. Let us take the next. Find the sum of the first 1000 positive number. 1000 positive integers. You want to find out all these sum of these first 1000 positive integers. So I write it is S1000. Formula, I write the formula first. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What will be the AP? All the positive integers. So it is 1, 2, 3 dot 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 1000. It is your AP. Okay. So I want to find out S 1000. 1000 upon 2, 500. 2a. 2 ones are 2 plus n minus 1. 1000 minus 1, 999. Difference 2 minus 1, 1. So it is 500 into bracket 2 plus 999 ones are 999. So it is 500 into 1001. First of all, 1001 5s are 5005 and this 00. So this is your answer. Okay. So for this period it is okay. In the next period we will take the more examples and some questions of the exercise. Thank you very much.